What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank Be Chopping, back with another video. I'm gonna be honest, man, I ain't been on it as consistently as I normally am. I've been taking the last couple of weeks of December, you know, this first little part of January, just to not focus too much on creating content, right? But nonetheless, we back with another video today, and I do want to say Happy New Year. It's 2025, you know what I'm saying? We made it through another year, so Happy New Year to everybody watching. All y'all watching, man, I want y'all to drop down in the comments, what is your New Year's resolution? What you got planned for this year? What you trying to do? But with that being said, man, let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. I got a box from Babyliss Pro a couple weeks back. I've been using what's in this box. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what it is. I was going to do a video, like I said, like 2 weeks ago, but I said, you know what? I don't want to be stressed out about creating content right now. I'm going to take this time to do my Christmas shopping, spend time with my family, all that good stuff, right? But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and show y'all what we got in this box. So we got these foils, these FX02 foils. We got 3 of them in here. Check it out. These were the 3 that we got. And y'all know what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna unbox these, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about these. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this video.
My God. Getting earlier and earlier, huh? I don't see.
It's amazing. Romers is going to pay me to see every museum and cathedral in Europe.
That sounds so exciting.
No.
For you.
Figure since you're going to be staying, you might need this. A disposable camera. Right. Thanks, Scotty. That's from both of us.
All right, man, so like I said, we have these 3 different foils right here. We have the Nightfall, color foil, purple, whatever you want to call this one. We have this nice gray right here, gray, matte space grip metal gray, whatever you want to call it, but we got this one. And then we also have the blue FX foil. As you can see, let me show y'all this one. I did take this one out of the box. So this is the one that I've been using. I've had it on my station for the past couple weeks, and I've been using it. And yeah, man, I like to use these foils right here. Currently, my go-to foils are the stick shavers from Babyliss, but this is a good little twist. You know, we're going back to, I don't want to say going backwards, but, you know, Babyliss made these foils really infamous, man. Foils are really good. But let's go ahead and show y'all what comes in the box. As you can see, I already opened this one, so I'm going to unbox a brand new one for y'all. But before we do that, let me go ahead and turn this thing on for y'all. So in case y'all are interested, it is the same motor as the original FX2 foil shavers. Nothing really different about them, right? There's just a different colorway. I don't know what made them decide to want to drop these colorways, but nonetheless, man, they got them out here. But let's go ahead and unbox this the blue FX foil right here. But before we do that, I'm gonna read some of the specs on the back for y'all. Hypoallergenic black titanium foils, offset double foil system with dual counter cutting blades. All metal housing features auto shut off when cap is placed on. 9,500 RPM high-speed motor. FX cord compatible, up to 3 hours of cordless runtime. So yeah, man. So I was wondering if they had the USB-C, and it don't look like they do. But nonetheless, man, I'm going to go ahead and open this up for y'all so we can see what comes in the box. Once again, man, shout out to Babyliss, man. Christmas came a little early this year for your boy. And I know y'all be thinking like, Tan, you got all these tools, why you won't be giving some away? I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I'm gonna do a giveaway when I reach 30K. So y'all make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe, share with your friends. That way we can get 30K. That way I can go ahead and give some of this stuff away. But nonetheless, as you can see, I'm taking this box out of here. And when we take the box out, we have the shaver sitting in there like this. So we're gonna go ahead and take this shaver out of here. It comes in a little pouch right here. I'll go ahead and take that. Oh, I might put this one on my station. I like this one right here.
bag is coming. You can find it in there. I'll take it to cargo myself. It'll be there when you're there. I promise. Would you like to take anything out of it now?
No. Thank you.
I didn't switch his bags.
You didn't.
I don't know. He tried to put his bag on the carry-on.
It didn't fit.
It didn't fit. He's like, nah, I measured it myself. I know it fit. But then he looked at it and it's not the same bag.
Yeah. He switched it. He just put a tracking device on it.
I got it. Tom Hansel was sent to Washington, D.C. Hold boy, I'll call town and stop the flood.
This blue one is nice. Check that out. The black foil heads, like we said earlier, like I read earlier to you on the box. Nice looking foil, man. I don't know if y'all can see it due to the glare, but this thing looks nice, man. You can obviously tell it's a high-speed motor on there. Let me put this properly. All right, so yeah, we got the cap back on. Let's go ahead and continue checking out the contents of what's inside of this box right here. So we take off this, ain't nothing in there. We're gonna take off the next little bottom piece right here, and this is what comes inside. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even open this part up in the other box because I just put the shaver on my station and used the charger that I was using. But it does come with the traditional Babyliss charger. Let's put that to the side. We get a nice carrying pouch right here, as y'all can see. And then we also get the Babyliss pamphlet that don't nobody ever look at. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back in the box because I don't wanna lose any of this stuff. All right, man, so we got that back in there. Check it out once again. Here is the blue FX foil. Once again, we have the gray FX foil. And I'm gonna go ahead and take out the Nightfall edition. I think that's what it's called. Color foil. Like I said, it's like a purplish color. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm not gonna really show y'all what comes in this box because it's gonna be the same thing that came in the other box. So let's just go ahead and open this up just so we can see how this foil looks.
Yes, that's Robert Duvall. You're thinking of John Boyd. Two totally different guys. The guy in Anacondas is Angelina Jolie's dad.
Oh, that's her dad?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. What's his name?
I just said it.
Robert Jolie?
Robert Duvall. I thought you were talking about his dad. This is her dad. I thought you were talking about his dad.
Oh, the guy who's kicking and screaming.
Yeah. No, you're right. I thought you were talking about the other guy.
That's the only movie I know him from.
It's the guy from Joe Dirt, the janitor.
It's taken me a lot of years.
No, it's not. Not the same guy.
Several divorces.
That's racist.
Learned
You're talking about the
that nothing really
fucking...
beats.
All right, so check it out. We're gonna take it out of here. And this one looks nice too. Now check that out. Once again, I don't know if y'all can see due to the glare, due to the shininess. And I think the bad thing about the ones that are like shiny, you know what I'm saying, is they get a lot of fingerprints on them. But I do like the way they look, right? So like I said, I've been using the matte gray one because it's just nice and sleek, in my opinion. I call it matte gray. It could be space gray or gunmetal. I don't know. It might be like that space gray color. It's almost the same exact color as the original Low Pro FX ones, right? But that's that one. As you can see, we got the blue one, and then we also got this Nightfall edition. So whichever one you want to purchase, man, feel free. Once again, it is the Foil FX2 shaver, the dual head shaver, you know what I'm saying? That's how that one looks. Obviously, they all gonna look the same, just different colors. Check that one out. And then once you put the cap on, it automatically shuts it off. So I guess that's a pretty cool feature to have, you know what I'm saying? Once you put the cap on, it automatically shuts it off. So that's pretty dope, man. But once again, We have these three new foil shavers from Babyliss. You can purchase these on their website, or you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Make sure you save yourself some money upon purchasing these products or any products from FW Barber Supply, you know what I'm saying? They have every brand you could think of, you know what I'm saying? So you can just get these products or any products from their website, and once again, use that discount code TANK10 on that website, right? But as far as performance of these shavers, like I said, I've only used this one, but if you use the Babyliss box shaver, you know, the FX2 shavers, it's the same exact thing, right? There's nothing really new about these shavers. Only new thing is that we get new colors, and then we do actually get some new foil heads. I'm trying to see what I did with the box. So we do also get the foil head, you know what I'm saying, the foil heads. Cause I think originally they didn't even have, like if you bought this one, cause this one came out a while back. It came out with the trimmer and shaver, I believe, but they didn't have the foil heads for it. So now they got the foil heads. So once again, you can purchase these foil heads or the shavers at fwbarbersupply.com. Once again, use my discount code TANK10 on that website. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, guys, same shavers, just different colors. So if y'all want to, you know, add something a little different to y'all station, y'all can do that with these shavers. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.